The most popular use of beautyberry's shrub, other than landscaping, is jellies and jams made of the purple berries. You can find the jelly recipe in the description of this video. The berries can also be eaten raw, but in small amounts, as some people have reported stomach upset. Please leave a comment if you've ever had an adverse reaction to beautyberries. The berries are light, not very juicy, and they feel and sound like mini cranberries. The taste is mild, with a hint of sweetness and spice. They leave a somewhat tart feeling on your tongue and palate after eating them raw. They also have small seeds inside, which resemble eating blackberries. Beautyberry's leaves have mosquito and tick-repelling properties comparable to the effectiveness of DEET. They also repel ants. Beautyberry's essential oils have antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal benefits against certain pathogens. They have been proven in lab tests, although human clinical studies haven't been done yet. The berries are also a great food source for birds in early winter.